supposed to spread it? Just one?
Now you put this in here.
Oh, I thought it was gonna have like red pieces. Oh, it do.
6.
It do. Do we supposed to shake it up first?
You put 6 up in here.
Wait, let's show the box. Let's show the box. Now I want to eat one. Okay, you go ahead.
Put a little bit more.
It's filled already.
Now you could throw it in there.
Let's see.
You can see this bag.
Stop.
Dangerous with this bag. You gotta be careful with that.
Yeah. So who putting that one in there? Put that one in there.
Me.
Put it in there.
Oh, you can shake it up at the end, right? It tastes like what? Can I have one?
Yeah, it tastes strawberry and lemon.
Can I taste one?
Cereals are lemon, and the whatever you call it is strawberry.
Rice Krispies is more.
It's dangerous.
It's
A little bit more in there.
Right.
A little more in there.
I imagine it's gonna taste strawberry lemony. But you could use, like we was talking about this, you could use any cereal you want.
Yeah.
Like you could do cocoa.
Let me do it. Let me do it.
Any
Let me do it.
toppings.
It tastes like nothing.
It's a lot of strawberries.
Okay, now we gotta get our marshmallows on.
That smell good. Can I get sorry? Marshmallow. I'm gonna keep mixing it. This is gonna be the lasagna.
What you need, bro?
Some butter.
Yeah. Hold on. Oh, you so smart. I know the chef got it. The chef got it.
Let it melt.
Okay, it's gonna melt.
Let it melt.
Cause yeah, they might melt.
Put it in the
How about you put a little bit now?
Just a little in the marshmallows.
Okay. What kind of big bag activity?
Do y'all see the sprinkle?
We have frosting too that's left over.
It's going to be a marshmallow pool instead of a cheese pool. Marsh pool.
Sound like you doing a beat. I want a bowl of cereal now.
You ain't gonna taste it.
Coming to
It's
life,
kinda
I'm
like-
scared.
A little almond milk. You know what I mean.
I just sticky.
Yeah.
Eating.
I love me some grilled crazy. This stick to the spatula.
It's okay.
Yeah, that's how she is.
All of it. Mix it in there.
She is.
No, she not. Look at how much cereal on hers. Barely any.
We gotta break Daddy into the YouTube world.
I have a wonderful dad.
He is. But we still gotta
You
break him
don't
in.
understand when we be recording.
These productions. Doing that, I just provide emotional
Tastes like a Rice
support.
Krispie.